DHTM series benchtop temperature chambers redefining laboratory efficiency. When lab spaces are dominated by bulky equipment and scientific progress is hindered by cumbersome thermal solutions, European precision and Chinese innovation, professional testing simplified. The DHTM series benchtop temperature chamber integrates European precision temperature control technology with localized manufacturing expertise, delivering industrial-grade testing capabilities within a 0.5 square meters footprint. No dedicated lab room, no electrical retrofitting. A standard 110 volts outlet powers its plus or minus 0.1 degrees centigrade ultra-precision control. Advanced technology driving performance. This is no ordinary chamber. Let's book on AI algorithm performs 2000 dynamic compensations per second. Italian customized evaporators ensure zero-overshoot temperature transitions. A proprietary anti-corrosion coating withstands bioagent degradation. Designed for longevity, the chamber boasts a 25-year lifespan, ensuring consistent and reliable data over time. Its space efficiency is unmatched, offering a 300% improvement in utilization without compromising performance. Versatility across industries. At Tsinghua University's Biolab, it preserves stem cell viability. In Huawei's 5G R&D Center, it stress tests base station chips. At CAS's Advanced Materials Institute, it deciphers graphene's thermal behavior through Swiss Army knife for modern research. Closing. Compact design, revolutionary impact. The DHT benchtop temperature chamber, unlocking 100% research potential within 0.5 square meters.